back to 20 car. The 2026 Bugatti Tourbillon Unofficial Concept is envisioned as a rolling masterpiece, where engineering meets horological artistry. Its silhouette flows like liquid metal, accented by an illuminated horseshoe grille and dramatic C-line body curvature. Each surface feels crafted not merely for aerodynamics but for sculpture, as though time itself shaped its form. The cabin resembles luxury timepiece brought to life. Crystal-inspired dials, hand-stitched leathers, and exposed mechanical details echo the spirit of a Swiss watch. A central chronograph-style display integrates digital precision with classical elegance, while passenger comfort is heightened with bespoke artisan finishes. Power is imagined as a quad-motor hybrid system paired with a refined W16 evolution. Acceleration to 100 km height would arrive in under 2 seconds, while its top speed stretches toward the cosmic. Aerodynamic fins and adaptive ride systems promise agility despite its monumental strength. The Tourbillon concept is not just transportation, it's the orchestration of velocity and time, Bugatti's eternal promise of beauty married to speed.